Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the next phase of the Midl Grounds. The journey through the Midl Grounds, and the bag wars are live. Send your tokens higher and get rewards. So here, we will participate in the bag wars, claim our gears, and yeah, let's have some fun. So before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, doesn't always turn out pretty, but sometimes some of these test nets will reward you pretty nicely. But if you ever need help navigating any of these test nets or projects, I have a Discord, Twitter, links are in the description. Check me out at the BCR142. I co-host a show called DeFi Crypto and Airdrops every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. We get into all things DeFi, crypto, and airdrops. And the host is Veteran Crypto, Veteran for Crypto. Great DeFi mind. We're crushing it. He's got a bunch of guests on throughout the week. So really fucking cool to see. And check us at the_only_DCA for all the latest and greatest on your DeFi, crypto, and airdrops news. So here we are. Midl open market is live, no limits, no instructions, and no list of actions you depend on. What counts is your result with full transparency from the start. Earn gears, convert to test Bitcoin, get Dog, Lobo, and Doge, and start accumulating using the available DeFi soup. Only the leader by the market cap will reward its holders proportionally. So remember, no one knows what will happen around the corner and all that fun stuff. So here we can see what all is involved. The ancient runic prophecy to bring Bitcoin tokens to life is now fulfilled. Okay, all this stuff you can read through. Throughout the campaign, they'll gradually add more apps to play with and grow your bags. So feel free to choose the dApp suit that fits your personal strategy, trade, lend, borrow, stake, and more. The only thing that counts is your performance. You are also free to choose which token exactly to hold. All three to diversify or become a maxine stick with a particular one. Remember, it's an open market. Even on testnet, it can get rough, so keep track of token leaderboard. Gears claim is now open. You need to complete quests up to the second quest of chapter 2's main quest line. And then, okay, so 14,000 test Bitcoin are available during the campaign. Have time. Make sure you have a time advantage to maximize them. Okay, so, man, I actually haven't claimed from the faucet Bitcoin address. Which one was it? Oh, right here. Wallet, middle. There we go. Oh, maybe I do need SegWit. Oh, okay. Derp. All right. So let's go back to the game. And so we will claim our gears. So we can receive them as tokens on Bitcoin Testnet, swap them for Bitcoin, and use it on Testnet dApps. So we'll see how this goes. Dun, 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 dun. Claim my gears, boy. Give me my gears, boy. Don't want to give it to me. That's going to be a problem. Okay. Nice. So just refresh the page if you have errors or disconnect your wallet and reconnect. So now we will swap our gears for test Bitcoin. Okay, let's connect. So Midl Grounds, gears. Let's see what we got. 0.02. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, I got to do like 50 transactions. Confirm. And there we go. Publish. Okay, it still looks like we have that. So, okay, middle swap, that's where we swap. Now Helios. So Osmo is coming and Bima is coming. So this one, stake your Bitcoin and middle swap. Okay, there we go. So here, open to Helios. Let's connect. See what we can do. Reserve. Some middle swap. What else do I have? Midl Rune stablecoin. There we go. Ooh. See. I'm going to swap for a few of these assets. So let's get some dog go to the moon. Okay. And then I'll deposit that into Helios. So we'll get a couple of these transactions. I think it's swapped. I think it went through. Or did I stop it too early? I might have stopped it too early. Yeah, I might have closed out of that before it finished, unfortunately. Yep, I didn't publish the transaction. So be careful when closing out of windows like that, because I didn't get my swap because I closed out. Transaction confirmed. Okay. Now let's check out Midl Grounds stable. Actually, how much insufficient liquidity, huh? Okay. Cool. We'll get a little of that with a little of the Bitcoin. Just swapping some different assets. Make it random. Just kind of swap stuff. But then I'll show you what we'll do on Helios. Publish the transaction, and we'll just swap over here or up over here. Let's check this faucet. Oh, so you can get, okay. Oh, get Doge via swap. Yeah. You have to swap on Midl and also Doge. So there you see we got our balance update. That was quick. Okay, nice. Oh, USDT. Okay. So you need to click on these in order to get the contract address correctly. Because that Helios is not usually in there. USDC, you will need, you'll have to do one of these funky stuff. Might have to use a different, no, nothing. Okay, I guess not. But maybe Midl Grounds stable. So it doesn't look like you can do that. Not yet, at least. But these other ones you can swap for. There's Lobo, the Wolf Pup. But we are going to go over here to dashboard. All right. Oh, they got points. Yeah, we'll do that later. Dashboard, markets, and we will supply some of these down here. We'll do Doge. Supply, and we'll do all the fun stuff. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Can we get a 0? There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. We had our stuff supplied. Let's go ahead and do some of this as well and start our fun. Sign it, seal it, deliver it. I'm yours. Okay, 30 seconds. And we will go back and close out of here. Go to my liquidity and add some liquidity here to Midl if we had any. Maybe. Okay. See what we can do. This, I'm just doing some more transactions because you just never know if this is going to be part of it, but we can only hope. All you got to do is the transaction. Click the mouse till your hand falls off. My hand's just stuck like this now. I can't eat dinner anymore because my hands just don't close because of the mouse. All right, there you go. And you can check your points. They're coming soon, so don't worry. Check the markets and we'll wait for that. So I don't see my holding. Actually, let's trade for some Doge. Let's get a little bit more of the Doge. See what we can come up with. So this guy is essentially my alarm clock in the morning with the motorcycle. And it's like a half hour before my actual alarm goes off, I think, is when he goes out there. You got the Harley, but I usually got my earplugs in, so it's pretty good. But it is like a nice reminder. Hey, motherfucker, it's time to get up soon. There we go. Go back over here. So leading token. Oh, so let's go to Doge and swap for some of that and see what it does. And then we'll jump on out of here because I got to go to the gym, go and get my sweat on, just the sauna. I don't really go to the gym to work out because I work out at home. But I need my sauna, man. Sweat them toxins out. Sweat them nasties. Got to get your sweat on. I don't do enough work outside anymore I don't have a yard anymore to to do all the sweating out of. But yeah, saunas are great. If you live in Norway and Sweden and stuff, it's like a mandatory. All right, let's see what this does. If we can, so I can't stake anything right now. I thought that was going to be, okay. Well, how to multiply tokens. Okay, so, all right. Yeah, I guess just hold majority of one token. But yeah, get in here, play around, and don't forget to do daily stuff. You need to earn your gears, and we can all have some fun together. So journey through the Midl Grounds, come make some swaps, do some liquidity pool stuff, and maybe earn some liquidity along the way. Yeah, see, Get a little bit. Get a little bit. Fortunately, you can't set a range on here, but maybe on the next one. But if you do need help navigating this, please jump at the Discord, hit me up on Twitter, all that fun stuff. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.